Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal with WooCommerce. This integration is essential if you want to accept payments seamlessly through your online store, making it easier for customers to complete their purchases. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and sign in now. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website and store. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and locate WooCommerce. Click on it and you'll see several expanded options appear. From these options, click on Settings. This is where you'll access all the configuration tools needed to customize how your store operates and processes payments. Under the Settings menu, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. You'll see several settings sections available. From here, click on Payments. This section displays a list of all the payment methods you can add and integrate with your WooCommerce store. Look for the PayPal option in this list and click on Complete Setup. This initiates the process of connecting your PayPal account to your store. You'll now be on the PayPal setup page. Start by clicking on Activate PayPal Payments. This button begins the integration process, and you'll be walked through each step carefully. The first thing you'll be prompted to do is choose between a business or personal account. For this tutorial, we'll use a personal account, but you can select whichever fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue on the top right part of your screen. Next, you'll need to describe the products you are selling under your WooCommerce store. You'll see options for physical products, digital products, or subscriptions. Do note that you can select and choose multiple categories if your store offers a variety of product types. This helps PayPal understand your business and process transactions accordingly. Once you've selected the appropriate options, click on Continue again to move forward. Now for the final step, click on Connect to PayPal. A small window will appear asking you to log in to your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal credentials to authorize the connection between PayPal and WooCommerce. This step ensures that payments made through your store are securely processed through your PayPal account. And that's it. You've successfully connected PayPal with WooCommerce, and your store is now ready to accept payments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.